In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master text animation in Canva. Start by opening a video template with your footage already on the canvas. Having your video in place first helps you judge contrast, placement, and timing so the text supports the visuals instead of competing with them. Now add your text. Open the text panel and choose Add a heading, then type a short, punchy phrase for your first line. Keep it concise so it stays readable on smaller screens. Change the font to something bold and legible, such as a condensed display style like Anton, to give your words strong presence. Switch the text color to white for high contrast, or pick a light tone that clearly stands out against your background. Head to Effects and apply Lift. This adds a soft shadow that gently separates the text from the footage without looking heavy. Resize the text by dragging the corner handles and reposition it where it complements the subject. Use the alignment guides to center it or align with key elements, and keep safe margins so nothing gets cropped in different aspect ratios. Duplicate the text to create a second line, then move it into place. Rename your text layers so you can track which is which as you animate. Make any small adjustments to size, letter spacing, and alignment so both lines feel balanced and visually connected. Select the second text layer and adjust its timing so it appears slightly after the first. On the timeline, drag the clip handles to set a subtle delay, just enough to create a layered reveal. With that second line still selected, click Animate, choose Shift, and pick a direction that matches your scene's motion, like sliding up or from the side. Switch to Character so each letter animates individually for extra energy and clarity. Now select the first text layer and choose its animation. Pan is a great choice for smooth, professional movement. Set the direction and fine-tune the speed. A shorter on-screen duration may call for a faster speed to remain noticeable, while a longer duration can be slower and more elegant. Click Preview and watch all the way through. Look for readability, pacing, and how the movement guides the viewer's eye. If anything feels abrupt or distracting, nudge the start times, tweak speeds, or adjust directions until both lines feel coordinated and intentional. Once it looks right, you've built a clean, polished text animation in Canva, styled, duplicated, timed, and animated with character detail. Preview one more time to confirm, and you're ready to export.